Daddy Fat Snap presents Savage. Wait a second. Oh, this is called Savage. This is the Chainsaw Man rap. I'm extremely excited because I know a lot of you guys are Chainsaw Man fans out there. Chainsaw Man fan. You know, I'm getting it started right. You know what I'm saying? Drop a like, subscribe down below. We're trying to hit 1 million subscribers. All right. Now, Daddy Fat Snaps. Big shout out to him. The channel's on the screen here. He is incredible, okay? Incredible job of making these rap songs. I'm super excited. And this is also featured by Ty Wilde. Then it says in the brackets, Dingy. All right, Chainsaw Man rap. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this because they just do so good. Here we go, boys. Turn this up. If you ain't got it up, turn it up and go check out Daddy Fat Snaps. Like, every rap song they create is amazing. Oh my god. That, I don't think that's Daddy Fatness. I think that's the featuring guy, Ty Wilde. Good man. Brother! This is about to be a workout song. Sorry, I don't mean to keep pausing it, but this is sick. Jesus! Excuse the cuss words, but I mean, how could you not like this? The way it comes in is like, okay, we're just gonna go back from the beginning because it wasn't even that long ago. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ring, ring. Psycho. Dude. Does this Ty Wilde have a YouTube channel? We gotta react to his videos. He's crazy. Chainsaw through your brain, dog?
Mike going insane, ice cold blooded killer, thriller killing Mike, caught a pain, sinister, suicidal. See, I sent for simple sensations. I sight not.
I screwed up. I think this is Ty Wilde. Daddy Fat Snaps usually it sounds a little different, but he changed the whole thing. Oh my god, it's always so good. Like, and then he's gonna come in with his part. It's gonna be crazy. I'm getting hyped.
Mike going insane, ice cold blooded killer, thriller killing Mike, caught a pain, sinister, suicidal. See, I sent for simple sensations. I sight's not the same. Spiteful to spite, foolish wants and needs. Clueless trying to be free and find shit to y'all.
Okay.
Me, food I'm trying to eat. Seen moves from keeping cool to cop.
Look at the visuals.
How you get clowned by a rookie? You cower and cowards can't push me. I'm pushing for power and powerless bullets done showered and shook and shocking and spinning they blood like a tropical typhoon. Dog got a beam when I ride through all. They gon' see me pop and they team he bomb. Double beam when the head clean off.
What did he say?
Powerless bullets done showered and shook and shocking and spinning they blood like a tropical typhoon. Dog got a beam when I ride through all. They gon' see me pop and they team he bomb. Double beam when the head clean off of you. Squash on my thought these fiends get y'all crossed out crossing me. See y'all thoughts cloud Halloween when I pop out noggin leaking. No Aki is barrel on the glove.
Bro, how do you not like this? If you don't like this, well, you ain't gonna be in this part of the video, but how would you not like this? This is tough.
Reason and bang bang, or they don't can't take any more fake. Taking control, chain straight, but I throw pulling strings on a chainsaw blade. Got you working on that tape.
Oh! All right, the next verse has got to be Daddy Fat Snaps. The hook is, the chorus is so fire, dude. We ain't never fight no savages. Like, look at the visuals, dude. Oh my god. All right. I'm so ready. By the way, one of my favorite visuals of this entire video is this thing right here. It just looks cool. Here we go. Prepare yourself.
I'm about to lose my grip. Show you what happens when I pull like this. Dancing with the devil, let me move my hips. You ain't never seen a move like this. I'm proud, I think I left the room like this. Chain see the whole room like that. Guy talking that pew might get you. Long talk to your pew like nigga dog bark for some
brother.
Like damn, booze my shit with the right set and the right.
The timing and everything with the click clack, bit of big back. I want to rap now too.
Like this.
I can't rap though.
The whole room like that. Guy talking that pew might get you. Long talk to your pew like nigga dog bark for some booze. like this. Damn, bruise my shit.
The bark?
Set in the right hips, you can point. I don't care who I hit. Real ball when they crew like 6 turn 6-6 and a 3-3 and a real ball turn a real light bitch. He real dead, he ain't realize it. Got a real split and split your dome.
Oh, snap.
Bound, held a punch a ticket, get you home. Same story, different chrome, different hunters, same story. Done 'em, dogging him long before the change.
All right. He's killing it already, but you already know. You can tell when it's about to go that. Here it goes. Prepare yourself.
Ticket get you home, same story, different chrome, different hunters, same story. Done 'em, dogging him long before the chainsaws in him. Used to want bomb bitches, now I'm dropping bomb bitches. Brawlers, my wish list. She might get this.
Here it goes.
Mean, might just call me feel the way I drill it.
Oh no! Absolutely not! No, dude. Like, this is insane.
The same story, done 'em, dogging him long before the chainsaws in him.
The beat switched.
Now I'm dropping bomb bitches.
It's coming.
My wish list. She might get this. Might just call me feel the way I drill a team. Crimson shading covers every surface when I get the beat. I don't need a milli, bitch, I'm walking with a different lead. Phone it ain't the only thing you answer when you hear it ring. Now G's are always in the front, so listen, youngin', when you that's the guillotine. I don't need the Smith & Wesson blow you in the smithereens. Show a little chest and bet your penance on a killing spree. Walking on the tightrope, getting in the way of the 3 blades, motherfucker. Might go psycho, talking big talk, then you wonder where your life go. Brawling with a killer like
Yo,
me.
the way it was like fast, the hook, and then the beat switch, and it was like a disgusting little rap flow, and now it's like a little sneaky one. This is crazy.
Getting in the way of the 3 blades. Might go psycho, talking big talk, then you wonder where your life go. Brawling with a killer like me, I don't like your chances.
I love it!
Me, I'm a savage, messing with a killer like me, I just might go mad, See me on the scene and your life gon' vanish, little bitch.
Yo! If you ain't subscribed to Daddy Fat Snaps, what are you doing? I'm telling you right now, one of the best, if not the best at rapping on YouTube. That's including a Drake and everybody, okay? I'm including the mainstream artists. This dude is nuts. He needs to make his own songs, but I love when he raps about, like, Chainsaw Man and stuff. This is sick. Big shout out to Ty Wilde, too, but it's like, man, my boy, he don't ever disappoint. I tell you, it's crazy. All right, guys, if you haven't already, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe down below, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.